Hi, so let's go for the second stage of our VR workflow. So once you download the Unity and you have under the installs in the Unity Hub, you can add a Unity again, which you already previously done. You can add one, the latest version, and again, click next. Choose what models you want to do, or if you prefer, you already have one and you want to modify, add modules. And you can add more to the current kind of install you have. So what this allows you is to go and add more modules in case you need more in the next program or next software. One thing that you need to be sure is that you are logged into your account. Like this, everything that you will have access on the web and on the Unity within the Unity software is going to be situated to your account. The next stage is going to projects, and that's why you should log in before. Like this, it's all saved, and basically you should have no projects here. Obviously, I already started one, but you can start a new one. You add this for download previous projects if you want, if you have some. But in this case, we are going to use the 3D one, the 3D template, and not with extras. Start new Unity project. So we can say new Unity. I already put Arc 7073 tutorial project. So the location is, you can modify it, but everything is by default attached to that project, so it's under documents, and you can again modify it if you prefer. So what happens is it will open up the Unity, and it's done. So once you click here, it will start opening the Unity software here. So it starts with the package manager, which is all the modules that you download previously, and it will open subsequently. And this depends on the speed of your